Hello, everybody. We are in front of my closet. Before you continue watching, I would just like to say that the 100% of the proceeds made on this video from ads will be donated to a Black Lives Matter cause. I don't exactly know which one yet, so if you have any good ones that still need money, please let me know in the comments. This is an ongoing conversation that continuously needs to be had. It's not just a one and done thing. So it's only right for me to start the video off by this. And also, this video was filmed like a month ago. So this is like me present day, you know? You can see it's, yeah, I'm not doing the best. But yeah, okay, let's continue watching. And that can only mean one thing. And also, you probably saw the title, so you already know what that one thing is. We are gonna be cleaning out my closet today. I have been living in this apartment for I think like 9 or 10 months, and there are many things in this closet that I literally have not worn since I've moved here. So today we're gonna be doing a mega closet clean out. I hope you're excited because I am. I'm debating on making this a series. I think I will, but I want to make the series kind of like rebuilding my wardrobe, because a lot of the things in my closet I feel like are kind of reflective of the stuff that I wore in high school. Since I've grown, my style has evolved a lot, and a lot of these pieces I just don't really feel like I will ever wear. I haven't worn in the past 9 months, 10 months that I've lived here. So yeah, basically gonna be getting rid of a ton of my closet. You can call this a spring clean out, rebuilding my wardrobe, whatever. You already know the drill. Probably wondering, what are you gonna be doing with all of the clothes that you get rid of? Because I'm sure it's gonna be a lot. Eventually at some point I will be putting them on my Depop. I don't know if now is the right time to be selling my clothes, because I know a lot of people financially don't have the money to do that. I just feel like now isn't the time to like profit off of people. So at some point I will be putting them on my Depop. My Depop will be on the screen and it'll be linked below. Let's get started, because that's all I have to say. So the first part of this video obviously is going to be taking out all of my clothes and going through them. But usually in the past I've just taken out all my clothes and put them on the floor. I feel like that method works best because you can really get a lay of the land. So I think that's what I'm gonna be doing. So let's get it. Alright, so as you can see, this pile is massive. When you look at the clothes in your closet, you think to yourself you have none, but then when you actually put them out on the floor, you realize you have an obscene amount of clothes. So we're gonna work on trying to get this pile a lot smaller. Like I've done in the past, I feel like once again this is the best method to do this. I'm just gonna be separating things into piles. You probably already know what they are. It's clothes that I wanna keep, clothes that I'm iffy about keeping, and clothes that I definitely don't wear at all and I wanna give away. So obviously this is going to be a lot of sorting, and from there we can figure out what we want to keep and what we want to give away or sell. So let the montage begin. So before we get started, I completely forgot to locate the 3 piles so you know where I'm putting them. Over there is the yes, over here is the maybe, and then over here is the no. I told you my room was small. You can't really see the piles, but just know they're there, okay? All right. This cardigan is a definite yes. It's just so simple. It's like, how can I give this away when I literally wear it all the time? This I've had for literally the longest time ever, and I want to keep it just because it's like so simple, and I still wear it to this day, and I've literally had it since like 7th grade, so definitely keeping that. Also, this was probably my last video, but it's vintage. It was literally my dad's from the 70s, and although I don't wear it much, I feel like I can never give this away because it's just beautiful, you know? So I'm gonna keep this. This is probably a maybe. I ordered this about like 5 or 6 months ago, and I still have not worn it because it's super tight and it's kind of uncomfortable to wear. So I'm gonna put it right here, which is the maybe pile. Once again, you can't see it because my room is really small. This I thrifted and you've seen before. It's a maybe because the zipper broke. I can't really wear it as much anymore because the zipper is broken. So that's a maybe. Also, for stuff like this, although I don't wear it as much as I used to, I feel like a jean jacket is just essential in every wardrobe. So it's like, if I gave this away, I would have none. So I'm gonna keep it. You're probably like, oh, perfect. There's no more clothes on the floor. No, I have more. I have these baskets of sweatshirts and shorts, and we're gonna also sort through these because we can't forget about them. And our last maybe is this denim skirt, which I think does not fit me anymore. Boom. Made some coffee right here. I still have yet to put back all of these clothes on my floor. Before we try to assess what we're gonna keep or give away for my maybe pile, I'm just gonna go ahead and hang up all the yeses just so I can get them off the floor, you know, and just have them back in my closet for a nice fresh look. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. Also, my roommate got these reusable rubber straws. Life-changing. I don't want to do this. Let's go. I'm done with organizing everything that I want to keep for sure. I must say, my closet looks so clean right now, so minimal. It looks so much less cluttered, which I love. But just a little recap, I used to have my dresses over where all my shirts are, but I moved them over to the other side because it kind of like separates them because they're pretty much like a different garment. So I'm just like, why don't I just put it over here? But here's to the part that I don't want to do, which is part 2 of our closet clean out, assessing all of the maybes and seeing if I want to keep them. Basically, the way I want to do this is not a way I'm looking forward to, but I feel like it's the best way, is trying it all on and seeing how I feel in it. If I feel good in it, I will keep it, but if not, then I'm gonna give it away or sell it. So let's begin, because this pile is very large, and if I don't start now, we're gonna be here all day. So let's get into it. Skirt. As I predicted, it does not fit me. I'm gonna be giving this away. Although I don't wear this anymore, I still think it's really cute. I'm gonna keep this one. Oh my god, wait. I never wear this dress. I wore it to Coachella like 2 years ago. No, a year ago. And I never wear it, but it's so cute. I don't know, it holds a sentimental place in my heart. And it's really cute, so I'm gonna keep it. Although I rarely wear this, I still do really like it. I'm thinking yes. I think I'm gonna keep both of these. If I don't wear it by the end of the summer or when I move out, then I will give it away. Also, the sweater is something I never wear, but I still like it, so I'm gonna keep it. All right. No. So it's been like 2 hours and I'm finally done. Thank God. I'm tired and I have back pain, but that's okay. I am going to first put all of the yeses that I took away from the maybe pile and put them back in my closet, of course. And then after, we'll focus on our no's and we'll focus on rebuilding our wardrobe. So basically, I have gathered a mood board of kind of some of the things that I want to incorporate more into my closet, kind of almost like personal shopping for myself. So before we get to that, let's put everything away because everything is just a mess on my floor and that's it. I don't like it. Let's put it away.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extraordinary.
So here is all of the stuff that I have decided that I don't want anymore. It is a massive pile. And I honestly have nowhere to keep any of this. What I think I'm gonna do is separate all of this into like articles of clothing, like shirts or pants. So that way I kind of have a system of what I want to sell or give away. And then we are going to, I guess, just keep it in my room. I'll eventually put it on Depop, like I said, but I don't know if now is the right time. Maybe I'll wait a few weeks or something like that, or a month, or I don't know. Also, when I was talking about some of the clothes that I feel like I used to wear in high school and now are not really my style, it's kind of stuff like, well, not this, it's just butt-ass ugly, but these jeans I love, but when winter rolls around again in a year, I'm probably gonna buy new ones because these are so worn in. Also stuff like these striped pants, which I have never worn. They're just not really my style anymore. I feel like I used to be super into like the wide trouser look, but I'm just not really anymore. I have some Reformation trousers that I just don't think fit me. I have these trousers from Topshop. But yeah, just some stuff. I'm gonna organize it though, so it's not just randomly like sprawled across my floor. Alright, here is a lot of the stuff that I am going to be selling or getting rid of or something like that. Let's go on to part 3 I guess, of rebuilding my wardrobe. Or maybe part 4. I don't know, okay? I don't know. Part 4 is planning for our next wardrobe. I made this mood board. I will put it on the screen. I made this as kind of like a guideline of some of the things that I want to buy. I just thought I'd show you that I want to keep in mind while I'm shopping for my new wardrobe, I guess, or my revamped clothing. I literally just keep saying the same thing. Like, shut up. Like, I wanted to show you that real quick, kind of to preface the next video of the series, and also kind of have like a layout of what I want to buy when I go shopping next, which will hopefully be soon. I totally recommend doing that. I mean, making mood boards is just fun in general, but it's especially fun when you kind of have a purpose of doing it. It's almost like your personal shopping, but for yourself. And yeah, that was basically all I wanted to show you, and that's basically the video for today. I cleaned out all my clothes. I have a full bag, as you saw, and I think this was very successful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me today, if you're watching till this point. As always, I hope everybody is doing well. I have nothing else to say. If you're bored, DM me on Instagram. We can have a fun conversation, because that's been fun, you know? Love you, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video, which will be next week, if I don't have a mental breakdown like last week. Okay, bye. I would drive up in